Hello, are you wondering on how to solve this maths problem? Worry not. Let's start with solution. So on our solution, we shall now have 9 to the power of k is equals to 60. So for us to solve this maths problem, we need to introduce the log from both sides. Meaning that when you have the log of p to the power of m, we can write it as m the log of p. So that means that now we shall now have the log of 9 to the power of k is equals to the log of 60. So I've introduced the log. Then now let's write it in this form. So now we shall now have k, the log of 9 is equals to the log of 60. So from here now we shall now divide both sides by the log of 9. So meaning that here the log of 9, then also this side the log of 9. Log 9 and log 9 cancels, so k is equals to the log of 60 all over the log of 9. So next now we shall factorize by saying that our value for k is equals to the log of 3 multiplied by 20, then all over the log of 9. So when you have, for example, the log of a multiplied by b, this one can also be written as the log of a plus the log of b. So now k shall now be written as the log of 3 plus the log of 20, then all over the log of 9. So all over the log of 9. So now k is equals to, so we shall now divide both sides by the log of 9. So we shall now have log 3 all over the log of 9 plus the log 20 all over the log of 9. So next we shall say that our k here is equals to, so log 3 all over the log 9, then plus, so log 20 can also be written as the log of 4 multiplied by 5, so 4 multiplied by 5, then all over the log of 9. So next we shall say that, so here now we shall say that k is equals to, so log 3 all over the log of 9, then plus, so this one now we shall have the log of 4 plus the log of 5, then all over the log of 9. So next k is equals to the log of 3 all over the log of 9, then plus, so we shall divide both sides by the log of 9, log 4 all over log 9, then also plus log 5 all over the log of 9. So our next step now shall say that when we have, for example, 9, so 9 can also be written as 3 multiplied by 3. So this one can also be written as 3 squared. Same to 4. So 4 is equals to 2 multiplied by 2. So can also be written as 2 squared. So that means that our value for k in this case, so k is equals to, so log 3, then all over, so log 9 we can have it as the log of 3 to the power of 2, then plus, so log 4 can also be written as the log of 2 to the power of 2, then all over log 9, that is the log of 3 to the power of 2, then plus log 5, then all over the log of 3 to the power of 2. So next now shall say that our value for k here is equals to, so here now we shall have the log of 3 all over, so the log of 3 to the power of 2 can also be written as 2 the log of 3, then plus the log of 2 to the power of 2, 2 log 2, then all over, this one is 2 log 3, then plus log 5 all over, so 2 log 3. So next we shall say that our value for k now shall be is equals to, so log 3 and log 3 shall cancel, so now we shall have 1 over 2, then plus, so here now we shall have 2 by 2 shall cancel, So we shall now have the log of 2 all over the log of 3, then plus, here now we shall have 1 over 2, the log of 5 all over the log of 3. So next, we shall now say that, assuming that now we have the log A all over the log B, this one can also be written as the log of A to the base of B. So now our K, so we shall now have K to be equals to 1 over 2, then plus, so the log of 2 over log 3 can be written as the log of 2 to the base of 3, then here plus 1 over 2 can be written as 1 over 2 the log of 5 to the base of 3. So next we shall say that, so because the half and half is common, let's now put our LCM to be 2. So here now 2 by 2 shall cancel, so now we shall have 1, then plus, so here now we shall have 2 the log of 2 to the base of 3, then here now 2 by 2 shall cancel, so now we shall have plus the log of 5 to the base of 3. So that means that our final answer for K is equals to 1 plus 2 the log of 2 to the base of 3 plus the log of 5 to the base of 3, then all over 2. So now this one now qualifies to be our most correct answer. So if you really love this maths problem, let's subscribe and see you in our next video.